Hello guys, today we are gonna learn how to type and open any app using AI in Python. So let's start. Go to VS Code and make a file with this extension .py. So it will create a Python file automatically. Then type import speak from PyTT-SX3. It will make your AI speakable, and also import keyboard. Go to CMD, then type pip install keyboard. After a few time it will automatically install this module. Then you have to install another module called PyTT-SX3. You have to install this. I have installed it already. Now type speak as you want to speak. You can write this command. I am typing sir, opening CMD. Now keyboard dot press and release, or Windows plus S. It will launch Windows search. Then sleep 1. We have to add one more module called from time import sleep. Now keyboard dot write, it will write what you want to write with it. I am writing command prompt. Then sleep 1 second. Keyboard dot press enter. Now sleep 1. Okay, sleep 1. Now let's run this.
So opening CMD.
It launches the command.
CMD is open, sir.
Now we are gonna learn how to close programs with this. So then type sleep as you want to do this. Sleep 1 equals 1 second, 2 equals to 2 seconds, 3 equals to 3 seconds. Input this value as you want. I am gonna add 5 seconds on it. Now write keyboard dot press and release Alt plus F4. This is a shortcut of closing any programs or window. Now I am trying to speak this AI something. I am typing sir, closing the current program. Sir, the current program app is closed. Now let's run this. It will launch this, and after 5 seconds it will automatically closed. As you can see, it closed that. So it works. Let me tell you one thing, coders: do not press any key while program is running until it finishes, or it will automatically stops. So thanks for watching. Before leaving this video, please hit the like, share and sub button. See you in next video. Stay tuned with Tech Coding.